to the Hijabi. I'm Vivi and I make videos about living beautiful. Today I'm going to be unboxing my FabFitFun box, which is a subscription box where you get to choose, if you're an annual member, some of the items, but it's usually a great deal if you compare it to the retail value. So I'm going to be unboxing this with you, and for each item I'm going to be putting the retail price here, and then at the end I'm going to add everything and tell you how much you pay for a seasonal box like mine. Without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Okay, so we usually get a little magazine that explains all the products and how to use them. So I really like these because sometimes there are new products that I'm not familiar with, so this helps me a lot. And usually you get some coupons. Some of them are good, some of them I don't care about. But this is what we get. So the first thing, it's a living proof shampoo and conditioner, and I think I just didn't know what else to choose. This was like the only thing that I kind of liked. So I haven't tried, well actually I have tried this brand but just different products, so this is going to be handy. Then we got the necessary body wash. So I have wanting to try some of their products. I just don't find it easy to order because they don't carry them in the popular beauty suppliers here. So I'm looking forward to try this body wash. And I got this glycolic acid. It's a 15% glycolic acid, and I think this will be good as a chemical exfoliator. And I haven't tried this brand, so I'm also looking forward. And something that I really wanted and finally I got is this the From Glow recipe, the watermelon glow. So I love this brand. I think it does have fragrance, so like if you are like fragrance-free skincare, probably this won't be like your cup of tea, but I enjoy and I don't mind a little bit of fragrance in some of my skincare. The majority it's fragrance-free, so yeah. I mean, that's the whole point, right? About if you are not allergic or your skin doesn't get irritated with fragrance, why not? Although they said that you can develop an allergy after, but so far I'm okay, and I have been minimizing the fragrance in all my skincare, so one or two won't hurt. Okay. The next one is pumpkin French peppers and minimize puffiness and dryness. I'm going to insert a picture here and how this looks when open. They are hydrogel patches enriched with pumpkin extract, fruit, and thyme. As you probably already know, I like eye patches because when I wake up, I can, while I do my brush my teeth, I can put like some eye patches to reduce the puffiness, and it's just a nice thing to have. And I usually keep all my eye patches in my cosmetic mini fridge, that way they're cool and they really help. And actually this morning I had the intention of doing that and I forgot. Then next we have these brushes, and I think these are more like to work for eye makeup. It's an eye set kit, I was in need of these. I need to replace my brushes, so I'm on the market for a whole new set. And for now, I can start with the eye. And oh, this is great. This is a product that I actually use. It's called Lumify, and it's basically to make your eye white. Instead, like if you have some redness, like it will fix it right away. I really like this product. I don't use it that often, only when I'm going to be in a video or a photo shoot. And actually I'm using it right now. My eyes were a little red, and then it works, and I really like. So and I really like you know, the effect that it gives you. So guys, this is all for this box. I didn't have any add-ons. There is a few exciting things to try. So the best one in my opinion is this one. The necessaire is also a very good one. And then I just order like very basic things on this box. So, and what is the total value of the box? Right here. And how much you pay for a seasonal membership, it's here. So yes, it's worth it. Sometimes it's a little more exciting than this box, but I'm still happy there are things that I will be using, so that's perfect, and things that I like. And if I have been using these things that I actually want to experiment and try them. So if you are thinking on trying one of these boxes, I'm going to leave my link in the description box. This time I don't have, let me see if I have a coupon for you. So I will be putting a $10 off your first box through my link, and I recommend that you try it once. If that's something that you like, then you can go ahead and purchase an annual membership. You get to save a little bit. If you like it and you decide to do the annual membership, another perk is that you could actually choose all your items. And with the seasonal membership, you are only, I think they allow you to choose around 4, and then 2 of the other items will be, they will select them for you. Guys, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for unboxing this with me. I always work for you guys. I couldn't wait because I wanted to start using some of the stuff, and I appreciate you being here. I'm going to link another video that I think you might be interested right here, and see you in my next